Now, let's talk about the practical ways to make money in a lazy way. Okay, that's three lazy ways to make money in crypto. So I'm going to be as practical as possible. Okay, as practical as possible. I'll make it short and precise. Okay, short and precise, so that you can suck out those information. Okay, absorb it and apply it right now. Okay, and apply it right now. So the first one that we're going to be talking about is referral system. Okay, see how it works here. Okay, let me give you an example. I think there was a year on Binance. I traded a volume of 6.5 million volume Binance in 12 months. Okay, in 12 months. This is my profile on Twitter. Okay, if you want, you can follow me on Twitter right now. Okay, please go ahead and follow me on Twitter right now. I will appreciate that. So now, imagine that you are the one that referred me to Binance. Okay, imagine that you are the one that referred me to Binance. What How much commission do you think you're going to make? Now, let me pull out my calculation right now. Listen, okay. So if I pull out this out, Binance charges between 0.15 and 0.25% if you are trading a platform. So averagely for buy and sell, that's 0. Look at that. Just follow me, please. Okay, 0. What? Let me see. 0.15 plus 0.25. Okay, divided by 2. So averagely, you are paying 0.2% commission on all your trading on Binance as fee. Whether on spot market, on the futures market, on the margin markets, it's pretty much the same thing. All right. So now, for all the trades that I make, okay, Binance will now cut 0.2%. What is 0.2% of $6.5 million? Okay, it is $13,000. All right. Okay, so if I pull this calculator out right now, you're going to see it. Okay, so now $13,000. Imagine that Binance is sharing 40% with you, for instance. Now, what is 40%? Okay, 40%, sorry, 40% is not working. Anyways, 40% is, let me say 0. I'll say 40% divided by 100. What's happening? 40 divided by 100, right? It will give you what? 0.4 multiplied by $13,000. Okay, how much is that? So for that year, Binance will have shared, $5,200 with you for that year. That will have been your own commission, a lazy way. Like you're not doing anything. You just referred me to Binance. Just it. Okay, you just referred me to Binance. And I'm making my trade, I buy, sell, long, short, and all of that on the platform. And that's just it on autopilot. And there's some other platforms, okay, that share up to 60% with their affiliates. Okay. So if I get 60% of this cut, that would be 60 divided by 100, like this. Okay, then multiply by $13,000. Okay, look at that. So they've been given a whopping $7,800 for that on autopilot. Now imagine that you now have like 10 people like me that have that volume on Binance. I know a couple of guys in Nigeria that does incredible amount of volume on a monthly basis, like 120, 130 volume on the platform. Okay, so now imagine you refer someone like me, like 10 people like me. Okay, it means that on autopilot, you could make as high as $78,000. Okay, that is a lazy man way of making money in crypto. Okay, now the second one is mining. Forget about all this cloud mining. Many of them they want to get your money. Okay, they're after your money. They want to swindle you. Okay, so and I can tell you for a fact, based on my experience, that 98%. Okay, maybe I should not put it as 99%. 98% of all this cloud mining, okay, Tron miner, BNB miner, something miner, they're all scams. Okay, and I've done a bunch of reviews about them before. Okay, I've done a bunch of reviews about them before. So now the one I want you to try is called gold mining. Okay, it's called gold mining. And this is gold mining platform like this. Okay. If you check CoinMarketCap right there, you find them there on CoinMarketCap. They're there. So gold mining is what this is how it works. Let me explain briefly to you. They want to kind of democratize. They are real. Okay. It's not like they promise that they are mining, but they are not mining anything. Okay. So they are real. They are for real. Now, and they've been around for a while, okay, and they've been around for a while before they begin to democratize their platform. Now, when you say democratize the platform, this is how it works. They know that many people cannot afford to buy ant miners. Many people cannot afford to run a mining successfully. They don't even know the technical know-how to run it. They cannot maintain it by themselves. They cannot provide the power to raise by themselves. They cannot configure it correctly by themselves. So they have all of these, you know, they undo all of these technicalities on your behalf. All you have to do is to pay them, and this is flexible. You can start mining for as low as $50, 60, 100, 1,000, 5,000, like that. So what they do is they make sure that they buy the miner, they set it up and connect to the mining pool. Okay, and connect to the mining pool. Right. So on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, you get paid on the platform, okay, in form of your tokens or something, then you draw it. Right. You draw your dollar out of the platform or USDT out of the platform. So that is how gold mining works. So they're in partnership with big names like Trust Wallets, like Binance Pool, Ants, some other pools. Is it Ant Pool, Mempool, a couple of pool. Now, if you don't know much about mining, okay, this is how pool works. Pool they kind of combine their computing resources, their computing power. They combine together to make sure they achieve better results. Okay, if one person is pushing a car, okay, that person have problem, right? Let me give you an example. Let's say you have like 5 people. You say, oh, today come and push this car. If it's a big car like G-Wagon, like Formatic, stuff like that, it might not be able to push that car very well. Okay, there are 5, but because they are pushing it one after the other individually, but the moment those 5 come together, combine their own forces together and push that car, trust me, that car will move. It will move very fast. Okay, that is the concept behind the idea of mining pool. So being a part of the mining pool allows you to have to mine more Bitcoin than when you mine individually. All right. So this guy wants to connect you individually to the mining pool. Okay, you just need to make a small investment and you earn money every day on a monthly basis. Now look at this. If you are buying like 16 tera hash power, okay, that puts on level 5, okay, it's not actually a pyramid scheme really. If it's a pyramid scheme, they will not have been here for the past 7 years. All right. So I'll show you how to verify if they are genuine or not now. So if you buy like 16 tera hash power now with 20 W per TH right here, on daily basis is going to earn like 28 cents. Okay. On monthly basis is going to earn like $8.53 on a monthly basis. All right. Then if you scroll down here, okay, we are going to be paying like 474.2 for this, okay, and you continue to mine just like that, okay, on a monthly basis. You're getting something. So that is a lazy man way of making money out of this. All right, out of this. So you are paying 29.69 per terawatt per tera hash, okay, and you're making 8.5 on a monthly basis. If you multiply that on a yearly basis, that should give some good profits on a yearly basis. Okay, that should be something around. Let me check this out. 8 point what? I think 8.5. That is approximate value 8.53 multiplied by 12 months. Okay, you see that. So once you have that power, that hash power, you should continue to make money. It might take you like some years to break, to break even or something like that. But the smartest way to go about it is every time you receive a payout, okay, convert it to Bitcoin or leave it in Bitcoin. Okay, so with that, you are actually using your money to make more money, and the money you're using that money to like dollar cost average your position of Bitcoin. Okay, so by the time you're going to be selling Bitcoin, maybe like next 4 years, 3 years, okay, you'll have made a good profit, okay, on the platform. All right, and if you want, you can go to the marketplace and even sell your hash power to other people if you want. You get it? That is, you can see the marketplace right here. So now I don't want to do like a full review of the platform now because if I do that, that'll be taking more time than I wanted it to take. Right. So I want to show you something really quick. Okay, so let me go look at this. So you can go here, scroll a little bit more. Okay, they said don't trust us, verify. Okay, don't trust us, just go and verify. So if you come here like this, okay, over 6 years they've been in business. Okay, you scroll down a little bit more, you will see those pool, okay, where they're actually participating. You can see the hash rates per second on pool.binance.com. Okay, you can verify it on vibtc.net, pool.binance, vibtc on you can see, you can verify it. Okay, you can verify the amount of computing power, the amount of power, okay, that they are sending into that pool in order to mine Bitcoin. Did you see that? So you can verify it, that is quite easy. Okay, that's quite easy to verify. All right. So guys, and also a partnership with Trust Wallet, I believe that Trust Wallet must have done their due diligence before they partner with guys like this. So that is the second way. Now the third way to make money, the lazy man way also to make money in crypto is through crypto trading bot. Okay, you set up the bot to do certain things on your behalf. Okay, and the easiest form of bot in crypto is called grid bot. Okay, now how does grid bot works? Okay, it sets price to buy at different levels. For instance, now if you're using a grid bot on Bitcoin now, and the current price of Bitcoin is about $60,000 per Bitcoin, it could buy at 55, 50, 45, 40, 35. Okay, and as the price is going up, it goes up like that. Now the good part of Greatbot is that they are now free. Okay, they are free across all exchanges. The tier 1 exchange and tier 2 exchange, I'm yet to see any of those guys that doesn't have a Greatbot. Okay, because it's a win-win for them. They provide a free service to you, and in return it generates volume for them. You get it? So how does the green ball works? Look at this guy. This guy have done a very good work on his article here. Look at this. Okay, it buys at different levels. You see that? Okay, then it sells systematically for you. It keeps doing buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, as long as it is not out of that range. When I say range means that they have upper price range and the lower price range. If the upper price range here is like 80K per Bitcoin, and lower price is like 40K per Bitcoin. Okay, as long as Bitcoin price is moving around this range, okay, from uh, let me say it's always moving around 80 and 40, it continues to work for you. Okay, it will stop working only when the price goes above 80 or it goes below 40. If you go below 40 and you are buying, you will incur some losses. Okay, although the losses might not be much because you are buying with DCA along the way. All right. So if it goes above the upper range, it stops working, it closes all the trades for you, and it's out of range. Sometimes it may close it automatically for you when it's out of range, okay, or you go there and close it manually. Okay, that is how Greenbot works. All right. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it makes sense to you. Please go ahead, subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the thumbs up. Like the video right on YouTube. Share with your friends. Okay, share with your friends. If you enjoyed it or you have any question, make a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. Okay, ask me questions, and as much as possible, I will try to help you out on it. Okay, so thanks for watching up to this point. Okay, I remain very loyal to you guys. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Bye for now. Tomorrow is going to be another great day for us.